everybody. So we're getting ready to start crack filling these streets today. Kind of show you guys what's going on, the process that's going on when we start. Not really the process, just show you everything, I guess. The roller. You actually put Dawn dish soap inside the roller water. That's what keeps the tar from sticking to it, which is interesting, I thought. The crack filler machines, there's 2 guns. We'll show you that later, how it works. There's a conveyor belt that leads into the hopper. That's the tar, the pallets of tar. We have an air compressor on the front. Have that hose leading up so we can blow out our cracks and stuff. We got a wand with the hose. Fucking Max. Yeah.